Alright guys, this is your dreaded crypto channel coming at you December 9th, 2021. Alright, getting in a bit of a swing here. Um, Trying to post a little more often. So trying to calm the nerves once again. We're seeing a little bit of a pullback. The stock markets are pulling back due to the Evergrande default. My opinion, more than likely, the Chinese government will take this opportunity to bail them out and essentially, just take over the whole real estate business. So, you know, hail, hail China, whatever. Um, but yeah, I think this will probably be resolved, tomorrow or early next week. So basically, that's pretty much what I think. If it doesn't happen, then everything's going to crash, and then I don't think anybody really wants that. So just hang in there. There's also a futures close tomorrow, so what I'm kind of expecting is a little bit of a wick down. We may have already even had it. Um, our bottom today was around 47.5, somewhere like that. It'd be really nice if that was it, and then we just kind of go up, but it's hard to say. I think more than likely markets will probably dump right before open tomorrow, and maybe a little bit during the day, and then it'll probably recover, and then let's hope that that's it for this correction. We go on up from there. So yeah, here's the VPVR. I haven't been pulling this up as much lately, but this is really important. This is on the weekly chart. So just zooming out, we have the heaviest support obviously down here at like 10K. That would be a complete nightmare scenario that if our markets dump everything, we go into a Great Depression, that's probably where Bitcoin would go. I don't think that's going to happen, but anything could happen. But that's just that's probably a 1% chance that could happen. So, you know, let's move in. All right, looking at the heaviest areas of accumulation. So where we're at right now is right above this area of support. Zoom in a little bit more. It's taking forever. Okay, it's catching up. Yeah, so we're like hovering right above. The heaviest line of support is at 47.4. Now, we could come down a little bit more maybe, 46, 45. We just don't want to hold down those levels long. Like, once we come on down here at that 46 and hang on there, and then we start falling down, like there's not much support to keep us from falling down further. And that's just not what we want. Some people are calling for that. And if that does happen, then what will happen is the next area of support, which is very heavy, at 35,000, will come in, and that will be that support. That would be a charting nightmare. It's like the whole pattern doesn't even make sense at that point. So, and if we're going to be in a bull market, we need to start seeing a bounce. And the crypto fear and greed index also it's in fear as of yesterday, but it's definitely going to be in extreme fear today. And hopefully that'll be it. So I'm kind of projecting maybe we get another little wick down, a quick wick in the morning around 45, 44K, maybe. Again, I don't, who wants that? But like, if that happens, then we come on up. Maybe we get a big candle push up. Maybe we get like a mosquito candle where it goes all the way up, and maybe even goes green too. Who knows? But we just need to see some positive news. So I kind of like to take fundamental and charting analysis into consideration. Like I'm really into charts, but I'm also into the news and fundamentals. And there was a big government, I guess, a panel yesterday, and it was like super positive news. Like the government's all about crypto now. Like so. For some reason, that didn't jump the prices up too much. I mean, yesterday was a pretty green day, and the markets did punch back pretty hard with good volume. Today we had a correction. It's testing support. So hopefully tomorrow is a good green day, or maybe it just consolidates, and then maybe Monday open we have the beginning of a Santa Claus rally, and then maybe Bitcoin goes up to 69K and to close the year off. And if I had to say, I was really thinking we would hit 90 or 100 by the end, like everyone else. Well, actually, I was kind of thinking 120, 150 a few months ago. But the way things are, you know, I think 75K is pretty. It's possible. You know, then maybe we're still at 60 in the 60s or something around Christmas. So we will see. The most important thing that I keep on harping about, and Crypto Banter is starting to talk about as well. They're just saying how a lot of analysts are looking at Bitcoin for the answers of where the market is, and that's a false way of looking at things because Bitcoin now has 40% dominance and the altcoins are 60%. So you can't look at Bitcoin's price action and say that's what's happening with the market. So you have to look at everything or even just the alts. So here's one excluding the alts. We're holding above the 21-week moving average. Well, maybe we'll hover on it a little bit longer and go on it, but that looks pretty good to me. Let's look at the entire market cap right here. I know it's pretty similar. Yeah, we're holding on to the 21-week moving average. It's really close. Yeah, we really, it's a little closer than I'd like to see it, to be honest with you. But yeah, we just want to make sure that we're staying above this. We get a nice bounce off here by the end of the week and off to the races. We don't want to invalidate the ascending triangle. We get trapped back in here, and especially they come down here, making head and shoulders pattern. They come on down. That'd be very bad. Again, that would be like a stock market crash, 1929 type of thing. Anything could happen, but I'm hoping that does not happen. But yeah, tonight I think it's going to be a little volatile. We're going to get like one final shakeout push down. That'll probably take out the leverage positions to some degree, and that will reset the market. Again, the crypto mining stocks are still in good buy zones. Riot, Mara, Hive, the ones I keep harping about. It's risky, but like I think everything is at pretty good buy zones. We just need the regular markets to kind of take hold and get back to it. Let's see what else is going on here. XRP is starting to pop back. I think that should be coming back to life at some point. Though I'm hearing that might be more of a March thing as well. Springtime. I'm hearing spring is when the things are going to start moving. Not sure how I feel about that. And part of my worry is the Bitcoin. If Bitcoin is the one that's telling us everything, then we could be at a double top for Bitcoin, and that would be awful. But I mean, that would fit the 4-year cycle theory, and it would throw everybody off. And, I mean, honestly, it wouldn't make much sense to me. A lot of people are also looking at this ETH Bitcoin chart. And let's look at this thing. I kind of did a quick this is just assuming this is a bull flag. This is kind of where we could look at coming to, like, 0.1 of a Bitcoin is, 8,000, $5,000-$6,000 per Bitcoin. That's, it's on its way up. Like, this is looking great. I think we'll probably even top what the previous, I think we'll even top the previous Bitcoin ETH chart. I mean, to me, I just feel like we haven't even gotten really started. Like, we're probably halfway through this run, or maybe 3/4 of the way. I just don't see us being done right now. So that's my opinion. So you gotta take it with a grain of salt. What else? I wanted to look at Bitcoin one more time. Looks like it fell back down again. Let's look at the 4-hour chart. I'm not seeing really any good patterns forming, which is kind of annoying. I like to trade patterns when I can. Oh man, this is all the way back here. Come on. This is taking a minute. Oh, well, I think I might stop it right here. But I guess just like tonight's going to tell a lot. The weekly close is going to be really important for everything. So let's just stay diligent. And I guess my thing is if we go below the total market cap, below the 21 week this week and close below, it's going to be ugly. So, all right, that's it for me. Peace out. Have a good one.